Let's take a look at this Chevrolet pickup. 1979 Chevrolet Silverado C20. This particular one is a camper special. So two-wheel drive, 3/4 ton. Set up for towing or having a camper in the back of it, either way. This particular vehicle, 350 underneath the hood. That is paired with a turbo or TH 350 automatic transmission. Nicely equipped to power steering, power brakes, AC. The AC has been converted. We can tell underneath the hood by looking at the fittings, but checking it, may need a recharge. Does not blow cold, FYI. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see underneath the hood, underside of this truck, interior, bed of it, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. This is the original color of the truck. Much of the paint on this truck is original. Now, one thing about the camper specials, lots of times we're not really driven in much for inclement weather. If they're using them for just pulling a camper, going camper in the nicer weather conditions. And as you can see, this one around the wheel wells, and we're going to go down through the cab corners, and appears to be a pretty solid truck. Take a look at the underside also. You can see pans and the other underside of this truck. I think you'll agree and see what I'm talking about. There are some dings, there are some nicks, with the paint being the age that it is. For instance, a little bit on this door over here, obviously. Now, it's also believed to be approximately 70,000 miles on it. We'll take a look at the odometer when we get around to the other side. Believed to be original miles. And judging by the interior seats and kind of how they're worn, headliner and everything, I would probably have to agree with that. But of course, once the vehicle becomes a certain age, it's kind of tough to confirm that because it does not stay in the title once the truck is a certain age. But okay, let's take a look around these wheel wells. And again, you don't see a bunch of bubbling. There are some rock chips back here, little dinger. Come down, take a look at this cab corner. Looks good, and again, that appears to be original paint. Does have a mat in the bed of it, and I also flipped half that mat up so you could take a look at that too. Yeah, it shows some wear, but again, solid. Does not look like it's full of holes, anything like that. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Bumpers don't look too bad, front and rear on this one. Take a look at the driver's side over here. Again, let's check out those wheel wells and cab corners. As far as tires, quite a bit of tread left on those, and you'll be able to see those in the still pictures also. Around those wheel wells, again, a few rock chips and what have you back here. Come down again, take a look at this cab corner. Looks good there, and you can see pictures of the bottom of the doors too, so be able to see what I'm talking about with the summer driven is what I believe, and it does seem to show that way. It does have a dual tank system to it. Fuel gauge reads both tanks, FYI. Went through the gauges as far as our shop and service, and appeared all the gauges worked, wipers worked. Has an aftermarket Alpine stereo in it, that also worked. One thing they did note was the AC. Appears to be the original door panels, carpeting, seats. A little bit of wear here down in the vinyl, of course, but as far as the cloth area, not full of rips, tears, or holes, which kind of coincides with what's believed to be original miles. Dash does have some cracks, and again, probably from summer use. Let's go ahead and start this up. That's a fasten seatbelt indicator. See how easily it starts. Idle's nice. There's that Alpine stereo system. Your dual tank switch. We'll slip around to the back of this. Door closes nicely. I did note also on the passenger side, the regular mirror is cracked out, does have a piece missing. Exhaust system on this, underneath it looks like it has your cherry bomb type brush exhaust, kind of tubular, get a little rumble out of it. sits, or if you want to bring it back to the next level, you can sure do that too. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want you to take a look at the engine bay with me. So hold on 1 second, we'll get that hood popped. All right, engine bay. Looks pretty much stock. Appeared it has a new battery in it. Power brakes. Looks like a new master cylinder. An AC, power steering. Pretty much what you would expect from a stock 350 79 Chevy. Here you can see fittings where the AC was retrofitted. So there you go, 1979 Chevrolet Silverado C20 Camper Special. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our site. We check out the still picture. And again, check out the underside picture. See what I'm talking about? And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract.